Hi guys, this is 2009 Mitsubishi Pajero. It's a V98 model. So I'm going today doing for the changing of the transmission fluid, including on the filter. So this one we had to need to remove the the transmission sump. So we need to off this cross member first. Need to the access for the transmission sump. Get 17 mil bolt there. So we're going to off the mount of the transmission. So we're going to drain the transmission fluid. Look at the 14 mil bolts. Then after we have to remove these 10 mil bolts of the, and I can see one gasket in there. Okay. So we're going to off the filter of the transmission, getting 4 bolt. Okay. So this is the transmission filter. You can see the mounting of the 4 bolts. So this one is the O-ring. So we're going to install the filter. Come over here with the O-ring. So we're going to install the new the filter transmission. We got one O-ring in here. So we're going to install a new sump with the sump gasket, and the 3 magnets is in there. It's going like this way. So going to install the sump. So you can going to fill the transmission fluid. You can see in here the drain. So this is the check nut oil level. So this is transmission fluid, and I'm using the genuine Mitsubishi transmission fluid. So ITF SP3. So we filling the transmission fluid. Put the 5 liter in first, then after checking I check nut.